this is how we jive for mass communication. Come again with another unboxing. You can see I have a pack in front of me. I have received today. This is from AliExpress, I think. I don't know exactly what I have inside, so let's cut the pack and check. Nothing special, nothing fancy, very simple pack from AliExpress. I will cut. Inside we have another box. Some tag is written here. Let's see what we have. Here I can open it. Let's see. Wow. Something good, something simple I have in this. You see, lovely looking. I stand for tissue paper or handle, whatever you can call it. Stainless steel in this case. You see, lovely looking, very simple. The sticker part, this is 3M. So this one you need to just put at the wall and you sticker it. That's all. You don't need to do any screw, anything, but very hard. It has some weight on it. Very high quality product indeed. Wow, beautiful. Let me show you more closer. It's stainless steel in this case. Heavy quality product. I paid €6 for this, very cheaper price this one. In Amazon or other places you may pay 12 to 16 if I'm not wrong. This little bit fingerprints magnet, because the silver type of thing, when you touch you leave marks. Wow, beautiful. I'll put in my toilet and I will show you how it looks. Okay guys, here I am in my toilet. This is the location I want to apply. Here we go. You have a sticker. You have to take this off. This is from 3M. You just have one time. You don't have second chances, because this is very strong type of glue. It takes and you can't move again. So you have to put one time. This is good, I think. You see how it looks. Looks perfect, I think. So I put this one. Let's go inside. And normally this is fingerprint magnets. So I can clean a little bit with this. And I press a little bit with the wall as well. You see how beautiful it is. When you clean it shines more because it's stainless steel, and the decoration of the wall matches with this one. You see the silver lips matches properly with this one. Put as this. So beautiful, this one. See how it is perfect on that case. So good. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care till then. Bye.